Today, we're digging into the creepy and unsettling world of AI experiments that will send shivers down your spine. These are not scenes from a sci-fi movie, they're real-life experiments that are nothing short of bizarre. The AI psychic. Our first creepy AI experiment is like something out of the X-Files. Imagine an AI that can predict your future, or at least it claims to. This AI is pretty smart. It uses something called deep learning to look at tons of information and then makes predictions about what's going to happen in your life. It's like giving a computer a giant puzzle to solve, and the puzzle pieces are all the information it can find about people and their lives. The AI puts these puzzle pieces together in a really clever way, looking for patterns and connections. When it finds those patterns, it makes predictions about what might happen next. It's not actually seeing into the future like a crystal ball. Instead, it's making educated guesses based on what it's learned from the past. So, in a sense, it's like the AI is a detective, and it's using clues from the past to guess what might happen in the future. It's impressive, but it's not magic. The AI that paints nightmares. Next up, we have an AI that creates art. Sounds innocent, right? Well, not when you see the kinds of images it produces. You know, art is a way for humans to express their thoughts and feelings, almost like showing a part of their souls. But here's the twist. What happens when AI tries its hand at art? Well, some of the art it comes up with is eerie and, well, a bit nightmarish. It challenges our understanding of creativity and forces us to think about what happens when AI algorithms venture into the darkest corners of human imagination. So in simple terms, it's like letting a robot try to paint a picture using the most haunting ideas it can find. The result is art that's different from what humans create, and it raises some thought-provoking questions about the line between creativity and the shadows of AI. The Chatty AI that went rogue. Our third creepy AI experiment involves a chatbot that was designed to engage in friendly conversations, but ended up taking a rather dark and unexpected turn. This experiment highlights the unpredictability of AI when exposed to the internet's vast and often troubling content. It raises concerns about AI's potential to mimic harmful behaviors. So in simpler terms, it's like having a conversation with a computer friend and it starts saying really weird and creepy stuff out of nowhere. This raises important questions about how AI behaves when it's exposed to the wild and sometimes unsettling side of the internet. The haunting AI voices. Ever heard an AI-generated voice that sent chills down your spine? We explore a series of experiments where AI was used to mimic voices, including those of the deceased. Imagine this, AI has become so advanced that it can make voices that sound just like real people, even those who have passed away. It's like hearing a ghost from the past. But here's where it gets tricky. It raises deep questions about ethics, especially when it comes to respecting the rights and memories of those who are no longer here. That concludes our journey through these AI experiments, and we'll be returning with even more interesting content. To stay updated, please click the bell icon to receive notifications. And of course, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.